Home sweet home.
Is she dead?
Hang on. She's waking up.
Damn it, what are we gonna do?
Kill her again.
Where are my things? Tell me, or I'll slice you apart, piece by piece.
Two-Face's got him. He's at the museum, okay?
Thanks. So, you decided to come crawling back then, Harv. Pity. Oh well, time for this kitten to teach you some manners, once and for all.
Who cares about that old crap? It's an eyesore.
It's the cat! She's here! Snow. Great.
Welcome to Arkham City. Citywide freak show.
Come on, how many times has Joker died already? I lost count.
Catwoman!
Good to see the boss back, right?
Yeah, did you see all that gear he had with him? Must have been from the cat.
He sent Paulie B over to blow that bitch's secret hideout. It's Catwoman!
I'm gonna drown you, cat!
What the hell are you supposed to be?
Piss off!
Really? Okay, if you insist. Oh, I forgot to say, speak to me like that again, Penguin, and I'll show you just what it feels like for a poor little bird to be torn apart by a cat.
Please, don't hurt me! I didn't mean it!
That's much nicer. See? You can be nice, Oswald. See you around.
Don't think I've ever seen the boss so happy.
It's Catwoman!
How deep do you think it is? Deep enough to hold one big-ass shark.
Still can't believe Penguin's got a shark in here.
Catwoman! She's here!
She won't dare come back here. Oh, she'll dare. She'll come straight back here for her pretty little things, and when she does, I want you guys to blow that bitch apart!
I'm looking forward to it, sir.
Good! This is our chance for glory! Word is Joker's dead, and we all saw what happened to the runt that used to run this place! We are the future of Arkham! We are the future of Gotham! No one will dare stand up to us, because if they do, we'll cut them in two! won't let me down. When she gets here, I want her dead. She's coming. I know her too. She'll be here. I know she will. We both want her dead. The first one who finds her gets to be on my right hand. Keep looking.
It's the cat! She's here!
What?
Over here! I got her!
Don't kill you for this.
Huh? This way! She went this way! She went up in the air! Over here!
Huh? Help me!
This way! She went this... Over here! Get over here! Huh? This way!
What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Help me! No!
Sorry, Harv. This really isn't your night, is it? Now tell me where you've hidden the rest of my stuff, or I'll even out the other side of your face.
I only took half. The rest I gave away. I win, bitch!
Enough with the twos already. It just keeps getting you into trouble. Just couldn't keep away, huh? Can't say I blame you.
There's still work to do here in Arkham City.
Good luck with that. Some enterprising individuals decided to help themselves to my things. I intend to get it all back.